Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have the new CB750 Hornet 2023, and as you can see it's a really nice Street Fighter look, very clean lines, very interesting, very sportive. I like this entrance here on the pillion seat. It gives it a really nice look. The only thing that is similar between this Hornet and the other models, it's the name Hornet, because everything else it's new frame, new engine, electronic, the riding modes and everything. Everything is a big upgrade from the previous model, and once you ride it you will notice that differences. It will be available in four colors, gray, which is this one, black, white and yellow. Personally, I would like to have the white and red. I think it's a really nice color. Again, the Hornet, it comes to compete with the MT-07, with the Triumph, the Trident, the KTM 790, the Kawasaki. So it is another option for you guys that want to be in or want to have this kind of motorcycle, and it is a Honda. Being a Honda, it has pros, it has cons, like every motorcycle. Some have more power, others are more expensive, others are more beautiful, others blah blah blah. You have to decide whatever you want for you and see if this fits your needs. Having said this, to help you, let's take a look at the specs. We're gonna start here on the front, where we do have this nice design for the lights. Everything is LED, turn signals also LED. You have the option to automatic disconnect the turn signals after a while. The suspensions, they are the Showa SFF WP, 41mm diameter with a course of 130mm, 2 discs 296mm, clippers from Nissin with 4 pistons, and to complete the set we do have this beautiful 17 inches equipped with the Dunlop Road Sport 2, dimensions 120/70. Moving on to the rear of the motorcycle, we do have the seats. I do like them, but they could be a little bit more comfortable, especially the rider, the pillion. I didn't try it too much. The lights, everything, it's LED. You do have the emergency brake system, rear shock absorber, ProLink, course 150mm, adjusted in preload, really nice exhaust, 1 disc 240mm, with clipper from Nissan with 1 piston. Again, the same 17 inches rim, the same Dunlop tires, but here it's where the things are a little bit different from usual. Instead of those big tires on the rear, we do have the 160/60. The engine, it's exactly the same engine that will be released in the Transalp, which will come in May, at least here in my country. We are talking about a 2 cylinders parallel, liquid cool, 755 cc's, 91 horsepower at 9,500, 75 newtons at 7,000 RPM. Of course, 2023, an Euro 5 compatible engine. And the most impressive thing, it's this gearbox, 6-speed gearbox, which is very smooth. Since we are talking about the engine, we can limit this to A2 driver's license, so to 35 kilowatts, which is nice. Seat height 795mm, which everyone will reach the floor on the motorcycle, no issues. 190 kilograms total weight. It's light, agile, and we can ride it without no problems on the road. And we do have a 15-liter tank here between my legs. I've been noting on the dashboard it's spending around 6 liters, so we do have around 230 kilometers range with this beautiful motorcycle. You can also customize it. We do have, or they sell 2 packs, which is the sportive pack, which includes the quick shift and some fairings here for the rear seat, or the stylish pack, which are protections for the tank, weights for the ends of the handlebar, and a set of decoration stickers for your rims. And basically those are the kits, but of course you can do whatever you want. You can buy an exhaust and all those kind of things. Handlebar and performance and dashboard, we're gonna talk on the road. Okay, and here I am on board of the new Hornet 2023. Let's start showing you how she likes leaning. It's a very agile and very easy motorcycle to ride. It's light. It has, in my opinion, this rear tire, it's a little small than usual, but it does the job. I don't understand how. Usually the rear tires are more thick than this, the dimensions. This one being slim, but it works, so I'm not complaining. It has a really nice grip, a really nice handle. Look how she handles. I like the way she handles. It's okay. Then I can go, I turn signals here. We do have a really nice engine. Okay, one thing I have to be careful with this motorcycle, it's basically because it's a brand new motorcycle. It has around less than 150 kilometers, so I will push it just a little bit to show you how easy it is, this engine, but I will not push it too much because I do not want to risk those guidelines before the first maintenance. That's basically why you will only see a little bit of me pushing it, but you will see how this beautiful engine with this 91 horsepower reacts. It's an amazing, and we're gonna start doing that by here, like this. Here we go. And again, a little bit more. And a little bit more. And as you can see, in a blink of an eye, you can be on speeds of 160, 170 without any problems. And like I said, just to give you a glimpse of what she can do, I will probably have this motorcycle another time, not this one, but the same model, but from the official dealership here in Honda. That one probably will have a little bit more kilometers. I can put a little bit more, but for now this is it. Handlebars, we do have the adjustment levers on this side. This one you don't have adjustments. High beams, passing lights, mode, so you can change between the 4 modes available. Now we are user, sport, standard and rain. Let's go to the user, which is mine. Function, it is used to reset the information here on the, you can see down here you have several information there on the dashboard, which I'll talk in a while. This one to enter the settings and to navigate between this information down here. Horn, turn signals left and right, and hazard lights. On the other side, a simple kill switch and starter of the motorcycle. To configure more details on the motorcycle, it has to be stopped, and we have this menu here where you have the riding mode, the user mode, where you configure the 3 levels of the power, the 3 levels of engine brake, the 3 levels of the traction control according to your needs and your specifications. Then the shift gear indicator. You can cancel the automatic turn signals, the highs, which is on the security system. You can turn it on and turn it off. Basically this is it. The next screen, you have 4 kinds of screen. This one, this one, this one, or this one. So I'm gonna leave on the one that I like the most. On the previous screen, we do have the brightness of the screen, 8 levels or auto. We're gonna leave it in auto. And the background, we have 3 colors: black, white, black, metallic, or leave it in auto. I'm gonna leave it in black. I like the black one. And information, which is favorites, you can configure 4 options: info 1, 2, 3 and 4. And on each of those options you can configure everything to your likes. If you don't want something here, you just select that option and change for whatever you want. I'm gonna put it the way it is, the total kilometers, so it's very easy to adjust everything. The next one, general, where you have the date and clock, units, the language, reset everything, and pairing with the Bluetooth, which we're not gonna do. And the final one, which is assistance, maintenance, equipment, DTC and regulator. So this is the information menu and the configuration menu we can only access when the motorcycle is stopped. Mirrors, good visibility, I see perfectly clear in both mirrors, 90% visibility, not too much vibration, actually very little vibration on this beautiful motorcycle with this brand new engine and everything on here. The only thing I don't like, it is a naked motorcycle, but it is what it is, okay? It's the Hornet, and the Hornet, it was basically known as a naked motorcycle, completely different from this one, but it is still a Hornet. See? Let me just go there because I can, and because I can, I'm gonna go slow, 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 and give it throttle. Woo! I don't know if you guys can listen, but it has a really nice sound, this exhaust. I like the sound of this of the exhaust. I already did the exhaust and I forgot here the dashboard. Let's return it to the dashboard. We do have this beautiful TFT dashboard. We have 4 displays configuration with 3 background colors. I chose this one, which is, I think it's type 1, I don't know, I think it's that one, but they all share almost the same information, different layouts. I think that usually that's how it is. I prefer this one. We do have the RPMs, a clock, the speed, the fuel level, the riding modes, gear indicator, and then here we have trip A, consumption for trip A, average for trip A. Then if you press here for the side trip B, the same information. Then 5.5 liters average. Then what we have here, the date, total kilometers, 192 kilometers at the moment. So as you can see, it's a really brand new motorcycle. Instantaneous consumption, so the average is 6 liters on this motorcycle at this moment. And basically that's the information that you have here. You on these modes, the user modes, it's where you can configure the power, the engine brake and the traction control. You have 3 levels, you can configure each one of them. The other modes, these parameters are pre-configured, you cannot change. The good thing is that you have one that you can do and personalize the way you want. Wow, man, this engine, it has a really nice punch. Just you have to be like really hanging to the handlebar in order to enjoy everything this motorcycle has to give you. Going like slowly and then give it throttle. The good thing, it doesn't have it has anti-wheelie and traction control and all that stuff, because I think without all those things it would pop up the front wheel very easily. Okay, thank you very much, and here we go. Man, the motorcycle in traffic, it's wonderful. It's small, in my opinion, okay? It's compact. It is fun to ride. I've done that on the Portuguese review in the middle of traffic. Here also I'm going in traffic, but it's not the same. But it behaves really nice. The shape of the seat, it's okay. I would like it to be a little bit more soft, but besides that, my legs are well fitted against the tank. The foot position, it is okay. So the brakes, they are excellent. The front brakes, I had experience on the Portuguese review where I pushed the front brake and it responds really nice. I was very impressed with this with the front brakes. The rear brake, I didn't test it well yet, but even so, usually I say motorcycles, when they are brand new, the brakes, they don't work as I would expect, but this one they did. It wasn't nothing scariest, but I was going a little bit for the fast and I needed to push the brakes and they respond. The suspensions, they are okay, they work as they're supposed to be. It's the Showa SFF-BP. Again, they are not adjustable, but for the kinds of roads that I ride, which is the ones like this, tarmac is good, everything is good, I don't complain too much. Actually, this is a motorcycle that it's basic. It will be basically ridden by one person, and because the rear seat, it is there, but the position, I don't think it is very comfortable for the pillion. It goes too high, the legs too also very up. There is no place to hold on, no handles and everything, so I wouldn't feel comfortable as the pillion to be there. So for me, my personal use, it will be like 99% I would be riding it alone. So once I configured, if it was adjustable, okay, once I configured for one position, it would never change, so I wouldn't mind that much. They are okay, and it's because of all those things that we also have this really competitive price on this beautiful motorcycle. Okay, it's around 8,000 euros, and for what it packs, the riding modes and all that stuff and everything, I think it is a very interesting option. If you are interested in this option, please take a look, ride it, and see how what you think of it and how she behaves, and if you like it or not, because I am enjoying it very much. Trust me, guys. If it wasn't this constraint of being a new motorcycle, it would be much more fun for me. But let's see here. At the brakes. Guys, I'm not lying, this one, it will be very fun to ride, and I do recommend it. Give it a try. I know there's the MT, I know there's the Trident, I know there's the KTMs, I know there are all those others, but like I say, every motorcycle has something different from the other. Okay, like KTM, more powerful. The MT, I think it's more expensive. The Triumph is a little bit more beautiful. So it depends what you want. This is a Honda engine, and being an Honda engine, you know what to expect from it. It is fun, amazing, and I love riding this motorcycle. And basically, guys, this is what I wanted to show you. I hope that you like this presentation review of the new Hornet 2023 already here on my channel. As it is expected here in Portugal, I always try to bring the latest motorcycles first, and I hope I didn't disappoint you. Having said this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to receive my future videos. We're gonna do this roundabout. Let me give a little bit distance from this car, and while I'm doing the roundabout, I'm gonna say bye. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Oh, look at this. Woo. Go, baby, go, 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 and then push it. Bye.